Alright.
Welcome back,
So
YouTube.
aren't, like, are most of the girls like the same
Part
thing,
4.
just, like, different?
They all have different perks and...
No, I mean like appearance. Same thing, just different colors.
Jake, this is part 4, right?
Yes.
Some of them.
I said most. I did not say all.
Last one failed to record. I swear
Yeah.
you
Or
put
it
in
didn't
the
fail to
same
record.
place.
He just lost Xbox.
Please don't be the bunker.
Well, that's sort of a fail.
Yeah,
Be
I
bunker.
guess.
I want to see what bunker is.
It's Area 51.
Oh no.
Like, do you,
Okay, good.
That's what is that place?
This one's the St. Martin.
do you know for sure that?
Then that
it's
other one
I'm-
wasn't St. Martin either.
Oh.
Like, does it say?
I'm
somewhere?
sure this one's St. Martin.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, because remember me and you played this, and
Yeah.
there's the walls when we started.
And then we like turned the corner and he's like right there.
Okay.
It was funny because we got like on the beach shore and we were just walking. And then all of a sudden he comes up behind me and he's like, I don't think so.
So like,
That's
what?
what he did to me. He was like,
Yeah. He just came up behind you and grabbed
doesn't
you.
he remind you of a xenomorph that was
Yeah,
white,
Yeah.
kinda.
except it's got it's a littler head
Yeah.
and it's not got a tail.
Wasn't there an eye?
You should glare on your face.
Yeah.
In one of them?
Oh, that's hilarious. You got a glare on your face.
That's my favorite.
How is that possible?
I don't know. It must be where one
I-
part of the
I know
light.
something.
Yeah, it's where like the white bulb is shining
It's
like right on your
the
cheeks here.
queen hatches like this
And I guess it's like
super,
glare from that.
mutant egg, and it's like this giant albino. So like, it's like half human, half xenomorph,
Yeah.
and it's like albino, and it like rips
Okay,
the queen's
what's-
face off.
On the replay, watch me like just go in circles over and over.
And then
again.
it comes up and like.
You always do.
tears its head, like,
I
completely
know, I
off
always
and
do.
eats it.
Oh, finally a tape.
And then it thinks that, like, you know, the main character in it
Yeah.
thinks that she's the mom.
Like the human queen.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the sexy cat lady.
Sexy cat lady. Michael, don't be like that.
At least buy her dinner
Oh.
first.
You have to go home.
No.
What was the matter?
He wanted me to tell her to not.
Oh.
She called just so that you could.
And make sure I was okay too.
Oh, joy.
How much
Way to
patience
block
does he
my
have
way.
yet?
One.
Yeah.
One for a while.
So I'm holding the record right now.
Yeah. You're probably gonna hold it too.
Yeah.
Dude, I was so close to beating it.
No. And then he like grabbed your butt cheeks.
Yeah, he grabbed my booty
He,
cheeks.
he was like.
Why did you do
I
that?
don't know.
Just
I have
spanked
a
him.
pretty good idea of what happened.
That's
Spanked
even
him.
worse. No, quit.
No! Now you're lying. Now you're lying.
Better than me like standing right over you like air humping or something. Remember, kids.
Hold on.
Happy birthday.
Hold on. Oh yeah, and this is the birthday kid.
Yeah, that's the birthday kid. Yeah.
Well, what'd you say?
Wish him happy birthday.
Okay.
This is just a little random stalker, okay? Bit of advice.
I'm the hobo
Ow.
picked up outside of McDonald's.
Yeah.
We promised him a cheeseburger, but
They didn't give it to me.
yeah, we gave
But-
him Pizza Hut instead.
Yeah.
He decided to come anyway.
Remember, kids, this is just a random stranger that we picked up off the street. If he ever offers you candy, don't
Say
accept
no.
it.
No.
Always trust a man in a
No,
big
listen.
white van.
Listen. Only don't accept it if I'm in my van.
Yes, you can accept the candy.
Now, if I'm riding my bicycle or something, then you can accept it.
You can accept the candy.
Why do churches have to
Oh, no!
be? Why do churches have to be so scary at night?
I know, right?
No!
Because you know people have been buried in caskets and holy water.
I've actually only seen one church that actually has a graveyard behind it.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen a church with a graveyard behind it.
I mean, I know they used to do that always, but
Yeah. I've never seen one.
and that.
Woodrow, I'm gonna use your
Oh,
blanket.
finally, the bridge.
Like, I'm not gonna use it all night, but I'm just for now.
Oh, good booty cheek.
Look,
Oh, is it
it's
like
a.
a
Oh
sleeping
no.
bag thing?
Ah,
That's
it scares me.
Big
Blood.
Can't help it. My bad knees hurt me.
cool. That's really
I'm going this way.
nice of
Well,
you.
I'm trying to. Ow.
Hey, smacking my booty, son. A booty
Give me your money,
cheeks.
fucker.
I'm gonna do splits.
I don't have any more.
Why?
Hey!
I should have
Let's
like grabbed a handful. I should have grabbed a
Hey,
handful
ow,
of peppermints.
stop. Get off, that's my
and
bad.
just, like,
That's
hit
my
'em
bad
in my
knee.
pocket.
Stop.
Oh, this is gonna say
I have
that's my
four.
backpack.
I have 4 peoples.
Michael has 4.
Boom!
Ah!
Woodrow,
Boom!
why?
What?
It's like it's like you guys are following me. I get on the bed and you all get on the bed. I get out of the bed and you all get out of the bed. Ah, Woodrow. Gay. 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 Gay.
Is that bright, Michael?
Hey,
bed,
don't
you
rub
No,
my
that's not
head.
too bad.
No. No. No.
No.
Gay.
No.
Gay.
No.
Gay.
No. No.
That work or is it too
Okay,
bright?
forward.
Oh,
Woodrow.
Is that too bright?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Good mom.
No.
Ow. Oh.
Sorry.
Mhm. Don't rub me.
What the heck?
Oh God.
Somebody's stroking
Multiple
my hair.
times too. Multiple times. I like how Michael's just like, ugh. Ugh. It's like an old man or something.
Why are you stroking my knee?
Ow.
Oh, hi, hippos.
Hippopotamus!
Who is that? Is that you, Woodrow? Is that you, Woodrow? Is that
Can I
I'm
have
kicking?
any of your mouth?
Okay.
Nope.
Oh gosh.
What the heck is that?
Woodrow.
I'm pretty sure those are alligators.
No, those are like Chinese style dragons.
That one's an alligator.
5.
He might beat you.
You're tied with Woodrow's record.
This is the level I beat it on when I beat it. The only time I beat it. But it was
Put
on
her
easy.
the pillow.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Let Michael tell his life story.
Looks like you saw Medusa, huh?
That's
Oh.
the best way to defeat. a
Oh, what
giant.
was that? Was that a
Oh.
BB?
Hey, Medusa,
Yeah.
will you do a favor for me?
No.
Hey.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm
my
gonna
bad.
Cut your head off.
I'm just gonna use a mirror.
Let him tell his life story!
I'm trying to listen for tapes.
Whoa. What the heck?
We'll be at the butt cheek!
Why don't you take this like yourself in a dog?
Ah!
Ah!
Sometime watch 8 drunk
Uh.
guys play Slender in the
Listen,
basement.
everybody be quiet.
It's amazing. You're the one making the most noise.
No.
Yes.
Don't eat me. Oh, great. Log cabins. Oh, great. I heard whispering.
That's probably the game.
Yeah.
Oh, I hear
Something
you, I hear
smells
you.
fishy.
Michael, take
It's
me to the
Woodrow.
cabin.
Ah!
Michael, the tape is in the cabin.
It's in. Okay.
Yeah, we can
Cabin
hear
in
it.
the woods.
Watch him be at the other door.
Oh,
He's climbing through
I
your
didn't even
window.
see him, but I.
He was in the window.
I hear it. I just don't see
And
it.
has no
Oh,
husbands!
Hey, you
Dude,
screwed up the light.
Seriously, Woodrow, you're complaining about us making noise and you're
No,
sitting
I
here
was
being
just
the
gonna
most
prank
disruptive.
Michael.
I have been pranked enough.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Don't kick my foot!
You just like screwed the camera up.
Is it even still recording?
Yes.
Don't kick my foot, girl.
If I could find this tape, I'd feel a whole lot
If I
better.
could find
It's inside. You remember last time, don't you, Michael?
Whoa!
Hide your wives, hide your kids.
Hide your kids!
Ugh.
9 minutes and 9 seconds.
Go away.
I was only missing 3 tapes though.
In memory of Are You Okay? 1. Distance walked.
Replay.
I guess it's my turn.
I don't think you'll see it. Yeah, it's
sorry.
your turn now.
Hey, wait. Leave that on. Leave that on. Leave that on.
We need to watch some of that.
Okay, I got one right there. Let me see.